it's Sammy again. This is the CRV. We're going to do headlamp restoration on it. Got the kit here. It's a Holts renovation headlight kit. It looks like it's got everything in the kit already in it. We're just going to give it a go. They're proper faded. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I think all you need is a drill. It's got the drill adapter and everything on it. Let's see what we can do with these. See if we can improve them a little bit better. What you get in the kit, I can show you. Alright, in the kit you've got 2 cloths, headlight sealer, that's probably what you put on after, once you've done everything. Headlight abrasive polish, that's probably after you've done your sanding. Oh, you've got the attachment for the drill, polisher, I'm guessing. Loads of sanding paper of loads of different grits. 1,000 there, 1,500, cool. And a polishing pad. Everything in one kit. I think it costs like £10. For the price of a new headlight, and for a price of that, it's a no-brainer. So let's give it a go. Let's see what we could do. Right. First things first, we need to wash the headlights, make sure they're all clean and free of grit before we go ahead and do anything else. So it looks like I've got 2 1,500 grits on this kit, 2,000 grit in this kit, 3,000 grit in this kit, and 800 grit in this kit. So I'm guessing 1 in each, and we'll work our way down from them, wet sand all the way through, and then use the polish after. Let's try that. What you'll need is a drill, some water or a spray bottle. I can't find my spray bottle, so I'll use some water, a drill, put the attachment on, put your pieces on like that. Make sure it's wet, make sure the headlamp's wet, and then just slowly start off slowly and work your way through. Yeah, so I've just done the 800, and you can see all of the white, white milky liquid that's come out of it. That's pretty much the oxide plastic. So that's step 1 really, and then we just have to work our way down on the grit until we get to the polish. Right, all the wet sanding is done now, so it's now time to polish, abrasive headlight polish. We're going to put that on, put the pad on. Once we've done that, we can finish off and seal it. Polished it now after I've sanded it, and now we're going to go we're going to do the sealing on it. So this is it here. I'll show you a close-up of it. It's nice, all the scratches have gone off it now. You can see it straight away, it's nice and white. This is the one I haven't done. The sunlight's straight on it right now, but yeah, you can see it's yellowy and dull compared. There you go, that looks almost brand new now. Right, so it's been about an hour now, so hopefully that sealer is dried up. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, nice and dry, nice and smooth. Yeah, no, yeah, that's nice and dry there, and you can see the difference from what it was before. That's still the old one, so let's go ahead and do that one now. Looks all right, quite impressed. Took the pad off of the drill, off of here, and it ripped off the yellow bit, so I can't stick it on anymore. Right, that one's all sanded up now and polished. So it's now time to apply the sealer again. Got to wait till it's touch dry. It's touch dry now, and we're going to go seal it up. Oh, here it is, finished. There's no more yellowy headlights anymore. Nice and white all over. Thanks for watching that video, and hopefully there'll be more to come. I'm going to be doing a whole restoration on this vehicle eventually. Going to get that running. Also this one here, won't go into it too much, but you can see inside the car it's been here a long time, not been running for probably 5 years, so we're going to get that running and ready to sell. Once we sell this, hopefully that will fund that project over there. This project over here is going to be, I'm not sure which way to go about it. There's going to be 2 ways to go about it. Let me see if that bonnet's open. Yep, it is. It's completely original. You know, the only thing that's not original is probably that battery. I bought this. I don't know whether or not to upgrade the engine or to keep it completely stock. But yeah, that's for another different episode. Thanks for watching.